It's May 19th, market daily visualization, Kennett Tortoise Capital. This is SPY on daily bars. First, we adjust the daily price to mark off the new yellow zone. We adjust the daily low, the daily high, which are our triggers coming out of the yellow zone. Adjust the 5-day look back. We have to adjust the 5-day low slightly. Shift the 10-day window. Adjust the 10-day low. Adjusting the stops for the PSARs. Have to adjust the 30-day range and move up the 30-day stop. We're going to adjust the regression lines, the 120 lagged by 30, the 20 lagged by 10, and the 10-day regression flattening out. Adjusting price down to the close right there. Adjusting the 150-day look back. Adjusting the 30-day SMA. That's the projection of the normal price. So it's a little buffer here. And adjusting the record. And that's what we look like going forward. Pretty. So it takes it